cool. Look at this Vette. This thing is crazy. The wheels on this are like so low, it's like insane. This is nuts. The wheels in this are so nice too. I like the Corvette calipers, they're nice. Sweet. All right, let's get to the edit.
You live editing? You live dipping?
Oh yeah, and then I'll print out the photos and give them to him as well.
I am fucking up. I need to That's fucking. I'm gonna take a picture of you doing that.
Yeah, go for it. Yeah.
That's so rad. You got an IG, bro?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Obviously, you do. For sure.
I do it full time, so.
That's awesome. What's your Instagram?
By Luke Miller.
You got the whole setup.
Oh yeah.
That is a good deal right there. Oh, that's awesome. Damn, these pictures are awesome, bro.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
You got a bloom filter on there too?
Bloom and CPL.
Oh yeah. That's all you need, bro.
Literally, it's the best, especially in like this lighting. It's so nice.
Oh, these lights are great.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah, no worries.
Happy to meet you, man.
Yeah, you too as well. You too. I knew that was bound to happen.